guys, so this is the video y'all have been waiting for. So hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I have been for a little over a week now talking about this beautiful avocado green palette that was sent to me by my beautiful friend Corey, and we met through YouTube, so yay! Thank you again, Corey, for this. This is the Avocado Green delanci palette. This is what it looks like on the inside, guys. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. It gives you a nice little variety of mattes. I feel like satins, shimmers, and then of course pressed glitters, I guess is what they're called. And I would be lying if I said that this palette is like, oh, I'm gonna create a very beautiful look, but I'm not, because you guys know that color for me is like so far outside my comfort zone. However, these colors speak to me in all different kinds of ways. I think it would be good to put this video together first of how to incorporate color into your look. If you're like me, you're very simple, natural, neutral type of shades. So I thought I would pull some of these shades, these warmer shades, to complement this green palette. This palette is available on Amazon for $9.99 if I haven't said that already. As far as ingredients, mica is the first ingredient, talc is the second ingredient. It does have a shelf life of 12 months, and this is cruelty free. So I'm going to go ahead, zoom you guys in, and we're going to go ahead and create a simple but pop of color type of look. This is perfect for anyone who is scared of color. So let's do this, friends. Real quick, what is on my face? I will try and link everything down below. It is not much. I'm actually, for foundation, using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade 7.5 Neutral. You guys, this is a beautiful foundation. You do not need a lot of it whatsoever. Under my eyes, my typical touch of Pearl and Moonlight. And then I actually did bring a little bit of whatever was left on my brush for the foundation up underneath my eyes. Looks gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's not dry or anything, so I'm very, very pleased with this. I actually don't even have like my Wonder Beauty Glotion or my Hollywood Flawless Finish filter or whatever it's called underneath of it. I literally just have this, and of course my Gerard Cosmetics Poreless Primer. So let's go ahead and start. Of course, with my eyes, I just have the touch of Pearl and a little bit of the powder that I used to kind of set that pearl. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the C-Color palette. I did a first impression on this, and I will be coming back and doing Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money if that is not already up yet. So definitely subscribe and don't miss out for all of my videos, because I upload on this channel like 6 days a week, guys. We go live every Sunday at 6:15 to just randomly chit chat and get to know each other. I am going to go ahead first though and jump into the avocado palette and use a little bit of this shade right here. It's a really pretty, like really light bone beigey type of shade. Really pretty. There's a little bit of kick up here, but not a lot. I find that these shades are really easy and user-friendly to work with. So I am going to put a little bit in the corners of my eyes here. I'm going to try and zoom you guys in even more. Got you guys really, really close. So we're going to jump over to this golden palette, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply, this is my transition shade, with a fluffy brush. Just whatever fluffy brush works for you guys. And then we're just going to kind of tap it in. Like I said, this is going to be a really nice way to incorporate a pop of color if you're someone like me who is not all about big, beautiful, colorful looks. I love seeing it on other people, but I low-key start to like completely sweat and break out into hives and panic when I put too much color on my eyes. It's okay, friends, we're getting there. After a couple years, I'm slowly but surely getting there. Now we're gonna do it. We are gonna jump into this beautiful avocado color, and I think what I'm gonna do is on my lid, I want to use two shades. Let's see. Actually going to go with these two shades right here. So the lighter one I'm going to put in like this portion of the eye, and then the darker shade towards the outer portion of my lid. We're gonna merge them together. So the nice thing about these shades, I'm not going to use a primer. I don't have concealer on as a primer. These shades build up very nicely even without using any type of eye primer. And you can tell I have very mature lids, guys, and they build up really pretty without accentuating anything. Like any type of texture, any type of fine lines, just really, really pretty. And they build up absolutely beautifully. Very pretty. Go ahead and dip into the darker side. As far as the brush that I'm using, it's probably not even meant to be used this way, but this is a Juno & Co. ES08 brush. Going in with it darker and then putting that on the other side. I do have a little bit of fallout, but honestly it's to be expected considering what kind of brush I'm using and how I'm packing this in here. If you guys wanted much more of a pop of color, you definitely could get that. I feel like if you use a good like primer, white base or anything, or concealer or something, I think you could really get this shadow to pop even more than I am. So I think that those two shades complement each other really well without like a crazy contrast. But I am going to add a little bit, I kind of want to add a, here I'm getting funky, guys. I'm going to add just a little bit of this yellow shade here, lime color, just in the middle to merge these shades together a little bit and give it a little bit of a pop. Just sticking with this Juno & Co. ES08, and I'm just gonna pop it right into the middle. And again, real soft, real subtle. You can see you get a decent payoff there, but the colors blend so nicely. And I'm sure if you had more of like a coarse brush or one of these, what is that called? It's like a real hairbrush or whatever that's called, because I'm so fancy with my terminology. This is synthetic, this is not. Non-synthetic is what I'm trying to say. Picks up a lot more, so you'd have even more of a payoff if you did switch your brushes, but you guys know that's not what I do. So from here, I'm gonna just keep focusing on this eye. We're gonna go underneath the eye a little bit, and with that being said, I think what I'm gonna do is pop a little bit of this deeper shade underneath the eye. So, and I'm gonna tap it before I start, so it's real nice and soft. Isn't that pretty? And then I think it would be fun to add a little bit of the yellow. We're gonna go back into this yellow, and I'm gonna focus that more in the inner part, just like so. And I'm gonna just pat it because this is a really thin area, guys, and if you have mature skin around the eye like I do, you're not gonna wanna be doing too much tugging. That's why I definitely recommend doing more of a patting type of motion. And you could be really fun and creative with it, and you could pop this in the inner corner, but I'm not there yet. Okay, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna do the other side, apply some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my liner, my lashes, and my big fake full lips. Do you love them? Do you love them so much? I did a video for you guys. You guys asked me in the Sunday live. I don't know when these videos are going up, so I can't like be definite, but in one of our lives that happen every Sunday, 6:15 Eastern Standard Time, you guys asked me to show you guys how I fake some full voluptuous lips without breaking the bank. So that's what I did. Yeah, I don't know. I'm totally feeling myself. I feel like that, yeah. I was gonna say it, but then I remind myself, girl, it's family friendly. But yeah, I feel like that every time that I put these lips on. I just lost like 10 subscribers. I got 3 thumbs down. I feel it, I see it, I get it. You guys, I am embracing myself. I'm embracing me. And you should too. It's fun. Anyways, guys, back to this gorgeous palette. This is the best way for me personally to incorporate colors and get outside my comfort zone slowly but surely. And this palette does it. I think that these colors are really pretty. Like I said, you can build them up very, very nicely. I think that if you were to put on like, like the ColourPop white or to use that the concealer as a primer or just a primer in general, I think you could really get more of a va-va-voom type of look. But like I said, I am easing into colors that are not so much in my everyday type of look. But I think that this look that we created is definitely something that you can wear to the office, whether you work in the corporate world or what have you. I think this is really, really pretty. Granted, I'm just going to parent pickup line with my big old lips and my pretty green eyes. But it doesn't matter, guys. You know, live your best life. It's just makeup. Newsflash, it washes off at the end of the night. Yes, it's Monday. I slept like poo, thanks to my husband. And so the sassy pants are majorly engaged. Anywho, back to this. I think that these glitters are absolutely gorgeous, and I want to come back and create some sort of fun look with that. But it's definitely going to be on a day where I'm not leaving the house and I won't be like extra nerve-wracked. Because there was one time that I did a look for you guys and then I had to run to the dollar store and the cashier started asking questions and it was just too much for me. Like, I started to sweat profusely. Anyways, I made this video really long. That's what I do. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Hope you decide to hit that subscribe button. Anyways, friends, I'm gonna hop off here. My brother is texting me and he's got some things going on, so it's sister time. I'm engaging the sister moment of like, gotta pay attention to the bro. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. If you guys are interested in either one of the palettes, I will make sure to list and link them down below. If you are interested in what I used on my lips, I will also link those items down below. It's the Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice, Buttercup, and then the it's called Macy and Mia in the shade Ava, and a little bit of Makeup Revolution. Extra, 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 extra. Hi. Okay, this is going to be a pain to edit, but that's how all my videos are. Love me so much. Okay, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Don't forget to check my description box for everything down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and if you'd like to see some more of my content or become a Patreon, I will have everything pop up through here after I end the video. Okay, I love you guys. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!